Hi everyone, welcome back. And now let's learn lesson 66. What is the time? Saat qancha bo'ldi? What is the time? And saat necha bo'lganda saatga qarab qo'yinglar. Endi bu vaqt o'qishni ilgirki darsimizda bir qatim to'xtalgan, yana bugun tafsiliy bir takrorlab o'tsak. Endi masalan vaqt o'qiganda qanday qilmaymiz desanglar, odatda biz minut soni o'lcham qilamiz. Odatda minut soni 30 tang yoki uningdan kichik bo'lib qolsa, biz manchadan mancha o'tdi deymiz. Avval minut sonini deb, undan keyin soat sonini deymiz. Masalan, soat birinchi soat 2dan 5 o'tdi, shunami? Bu 2dan 5 o'tganda deganini deymiz, ama it is 5 past 2. Okay, it is 5 past 2. Demek ki 2dan necha o'tdi? 5 minut o'tdi. Demek endi bu yerki o'tdi deganini nima deb ifodalaymiz desanglar, past. Agar naq soat 2 bo'lgan bo'lsa nima desanglar, o'clock. Masalan, it is 2 o'clock. Soat hozir 2 bo'ldi. Endi yana 15 minut o'tganda necha desanglar, 15 ni 15 deydi, shunami? 15 odatda nima desanglar, bir chorak. Yoki butun narsniki 4dan 1 bo'lsa nima deymiz buni desanglar, chorak deymiz. Buni quarter. Okay, a quarter. Bu nima deymiz desanglar, a quarter past 2. 2dan 15 minut o'tdi. A quarter past 2. Agar yarim bo'lsa desanglar, 30 minutes. Buni nima deymiz desanglar, half. Biz uni 2,5 deganda it is half past 2. Hargiz muxalif desak bo'lmaydi. It is half past 2. Okay, half past 2. Endi yerimdan eshib ketsa, 30 minut eshib ketganda nima desanglar, manchik minut qoldi. Alaylik masalan 2dan 35 minut o'tdi. Endi 35 deganimiz 3 ga soat 3 bo'lishgan yana 25 minut bor. Buni nima deb o'qiymiz desanglar, it is 25 to 3. Okay, endi 2dan 45. Bu nima desang, it's quarter to 3. It is a quarter to 3. Demek endi bu shunga asosiy o'qisanglar, asosan qanday desanglar, xatolashmaysizlar. Bo'lsa, mush ekrandagini telefoningizga chassin rasm tortib, tafsiriy bizani o'qib o'qisanglar, texam yaxshi bo'ladi. Xo'sh, written exercise. Complete this sentence using in, at or from. Okay, endi men in degan narsaga ishlatib desanglar, birinchi oylarning oldiga in shnama. In deganimiz oylarning oldiga, fasllarning oldiga, yillarning oldiga, ya'ni cho'ng o'rinlarga. At degan cho'ng kichik o'rinlar, aniq vaqtga, undan keyin tushda, kechda, kechida bo'lsa nima at keldi. At noon, at night. From degan cho'ng dindan, ma'lum bir davlatdan. Masalan, I'm going to see him 10 o'clock. Soat 10da. Demakki 10 degan aniq vaqt bu yerga nima? At. I'm going to see him at 10 o'clock. Men uni 10 dan qanaqa ko'rishmoqchi. Masalan, it often rains November. Anda oylarning oldiga nima keldi? In. It often rains in November. Nechinchi oyda? 11 oyda. Masalan, where do you come? Okay, where do you come? You know, I come from. Where do you come from? Okay, I always go to work morning. And like tushdan burun vaqtni bildirsa, in the morning. So what's the climate like in your country? Okay, anda ma cho'ng o'rinlar. Masalan, country davlat degan cho'ng o'rin shunami? Uni qanday desanglar, in kelgan. Masalan, it's often cold in winter. Odatda fasllarning oldiga minib keldirsanglar, in keldi. Undan keyin masalan, enjoy yourself. Enjoy degan huzurlanmoq shunami? I always enjoy myself. Men doim qanday desanglar, xushal quram o'ynayman. And we always enjoy ourselves. Ourselves. And samajum bo'shirin to'ldirib qo'yinglar vallah. Masalan, when must you come home? Okay, I must come home at 10 o'clock. Okay, at 10 o'clock or at 1 o'clock. So when must he type this letter? Okay, and ma'nida o'qiymiz. Birdan 15 nama, a quarter past 1. You know, I must type it at 1:15. Like a quarter past 15. A quarter past 15. When must they meet? Sam, it's a quarter to 3, right? We must see him, they must see him at 15 to 3. When must you arrive here? Okay, half past 6. I must arrive here at 6:30. Yakini 말해서 a half past 6. 다 복사 болды. Mana bugun mishagi cho'sib, yana qayta shu vaqtni qanday o'qishni bir mashq qilsanglar, undan keyin shu kendik mashq qilsanglarni umid qilaman. That's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.